Let's do some operations on matrices. Let's start CLC clear, close all. Okay, let's create a matrix. Call it A equals 1 up to 3, second column 4 up to let's say 6, the third one 7 up to 9, semicolon to suppress the output. Okay, and let's run it. A is this matrix. If you want to multiply all the elements by 2, you can use this. A2 equals 2 times A, semicolon to suppress, run. A2, run it. A2, enter. All the elements are multiplied by 2. If you want to divide, for example, A3 equals A divided by 3, semicolon. Run. A3. Now it is. All are divided by 3. These are applicable when there's a number or a scalar multiplying or dividing by a matrix. Let's add, for example, A4 equals A plus 5. Let's run A4, enter. All are added by 5. Okay, we can subtract 2. A5 equals A minus, for example, 1. Okay, let's run it. A5, enter. Now you can see. What if you want to multiply a matrix by another one? For example, we have a matrix B, which is 1, 2, 3. When can I multiply these two matrices? First, we must know the size of both of them. Let's see. AS, which is size of A, and BS, which is size of B. Okay, let's run. AS is 3 by 3 and BS is 1 by 3. When the second element of the size of the first one and the first element of the second one are the same. Now they are not. For example, if I want to multiply, let's say A by B, it doesn't work. But if I want to multiply B by A, it works. Because B, B's second element is equal to A's first element of the size. I mean, the number of columns of the first one must be equal to the number of rows of the second one, like you see here. Okay, if you want to, let's say, add two matrices, what can you do? The size of the first one must be equal to the size of the second one. Let's see. Let's create a matrix C equals 4, 5, 6. A plus, let's say B. B plus C. Now it is 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 6 plus 3. But if we say A plus B, it works too. How? Because A is 3 by 3, but B is 1 by 3. The second row is changed. But if we have, for example, let's say D equals, let's define it here. D equals 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see. B plus, let's say C. It worked. But if we want to say B plus D, it doesn't, because have incompatible sizes for this operation. This fourth element is not available in C or in B. Okay. What if you want to multiply two matrices and do it element by element? For example, B is 1, 2, 3, and C is 4, 5, 6. I want to multiply them like this: 1 by 4, 2 by 5, and 3 by 6. It's just easy as you watch here. Let's say B times C. But instead of asterisk, we put a dot before. And let's call it BC. Let's run BC. B times C. 3 by 6, which is 18. 2 and 5, which is 10. 1 and 4, which is 1 and 4 is 4. Okay. Let's do another. 1. B power of, let's say, C equals B dot hat C. B to the power of each element in the C. B is this one, 3 to the power of 6, to the power of 5, 1 to the power of, let's say, 4, 10. It doesn't change. 1 to the power of every number is 1. Okay. Even we can divide them. B divided by every element in C equals B dot for element wise. Division C. Okay. Let's run it. B divided by 3 element wise. Okay. B and C. B is 1, 2, 3. 3 divided by 6, which is half. 2 divided by 5. 1 divided by 4. Okay.